Welcome to Email Blaster Analytics. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to navigate your analytics breakdown. From the left-hand side of the page here, we can see this is the main navigation bar to navigate around analytics. So at the top, we have a brief screenshot of the campaign that you sent to, along with the date you sent it to, and the total amount of subscribers that you sent to. You can click on this to view the full subscriber list. Down here is the main navigation bar. So when you first open it, it will be on opens. This will show the total amount of opens and a breakdown for the opens that you achieved. You can navigate through by clicking on clicks to view your clicks, delivered, which will offer a breakdown of your delivered and bounces, and unsubscribed, showing a summary of who unsubscribed from your campaign and the type of unsubscribe they did. Finally, we have attached lists. So if you sent this campaign to multiple lists, clicking Attach Lists enables you to view the list that you sent to, along with being able to view the analytics for each list. And that's a quick look at navigating around analytics. See you in the next one.